Hello, I'm Teacher Ethel, and I'm here to give you a recap of my introduction and assessment class with Jojo. Pero bago yan, bigyan ko muna kayo ng maikling background bago nangyari yung first class na yon. Actually, second time ko pa lang siya na-meet nung class na yan. Yung first time, nung pinakilala siya sa akin ng mga nephews ko. Doon sa meeting na yon, kinonfirm ko lang sa kanya kung talagang gusto niya na maging first student ko dito sa gagawin ko na English for Filipinos channel. Sabi niya, oo daw. Sure na sure daw siya na gusto niyang mag-improve ang English niya. After niya kasing mag-high school, nag-work na siya dahil wala silang pera para makapag-aral siya ng college noon. Ngayon na 27 years old na siya, at nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng scholarship at makapag-aral sa college, gusto niya na magkaroon ng mas maganda, mas maayos na trabaho pagka-graduate niya. Gusto din niyang mag-abroad, kaya gusto niyang mag-improve ang English speaking skills niya. So, tapos yon, in-explain ko lang sa kanya kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa class namin. Tinanong niya ako, ano daw ba yung dapat niyang dalhin or dapat niyang gawin sa class. Sabi ko, magdala lang siya ng madaming lakas ng loob at madaming English. Yun lang. And nakita niyo naman, sobrang daming lakas ng loob ang dinala niya sa intro class namin. And sobra akong napahanga sa ginawa niyang pagsagot ng mga tanong ko in English in his own way. So now let's have a breakdown of the things that happened in the assessment part of the class. All right, now let's talk about your interests, your hobbies. What do you want to do aside from studying now?
Uh, After that, my hobbies like basketball,
Mhm.
playing soccer or the footballs like that.
Basketball, playing football.
And that's my interesting hobbies that I want.
And the getting to know you part, a good point. He really tried his best to answer the questions in English, but in his own way. Sports, that's basketball and soccer. How about anything other than sports?
Other sports like badminton.
That's
my family.
Needs improvement? Unfortunately, he didn't answer the question. Other than sports, what else do you like to do? Two times ko siyang tinanong nito pero ang sagot pa din niya yung mga sports na gusto niya. So, kailangan niya mag-improve either sa listening skills or sa comprehension skills. Mapapansin din dito sa part na to na mostly direct translation from Tagalog to English ang ginawa niya para sagutin yung mga tanong ko.
My father teaches mathematics, and my mother is a nurse at a big hospital. My brothers are very smart and work hard in school. My sister is a nervous girl, but she is very kind.
The good points? He was able to recognize and read the words in the story. He also pronounced several words correctly. How many brothers and sisters does he have? How many brothers and sisters does he have? Okay, do you know?
Yes.
How many?
There are 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Needs improvement? May mga words na hindi niya na-pronounce ng tama. At saka medyo nagkaroon siya ng struggle na intindihin ng story. Maaaring dahil sa nervyos at dahil first time niya nabasa yung story na to. Pero, kailangan pa rin namin i-practice siya in our future lessons. Good points. Marami siyang na-pronounce na words ng tama tulad ng run and ran, black and block, cut and cat, seek, Wednesday. Very good yan.
Burial.
Not view, but burial. But he needs to improve on some words that he wasn't able to pronounce well, like fit, bought, apt, thought, sick, burial, inventory, and butcher. A good point. He was able to say what an ambulance and a photographer is. What do you mean by runs in our family?
Runs in our family, like there's a in need of urgency.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean by I can't help?
Not important.
Not important? It's not important, but to think about her after that? Is that it? Needs improvement? Nahirapan siya sa phrases na runs in the family at I can't help it. Alam ko na mahirap yung mga phrases na to. Pero sinadya ko talagang ilagay yan para malaman ko kung anong level talaga ang English niya. So, after ng introduction class na to, masasabi ko na ang English level ni Jojo ngayon ay Basic User A1. Based on the Common European Framework of Reference or the CEFR. A Basic User A1 learners can understand and use familiar everyday expressions and very basic phrases. They can introduce themselves and others and ask and answer simple questions. Ibig sabihin, ang kaya pa lang niya sa ngayon ay ang mga simple English words na ginagamit sa pang-araw-araw na buhay lang. Ang madalas na ginagawa niya ay i-translate yung Tagalog words to English words sa utak niya bago niya sasabihin. Ito naman ang madalas na gawain ng mga nagsisimula pa lang na mag-aral ng English. Kaya ang mga goals namin sa class namin ay number 1 is improve his pronunciation. Number 2, learn English words and phrases. Number 3, learn how to make better English sentences. 4, practice English listening skills. 5, practice reading and comprehension. And the last one, and the most important thing is, he needs to practice thinking in English all the time. So, abangan nyo yung first lesson namin ha. See you!